Deep in the Australian bush, there's a percussion section you've never heard before. Meet the wombat, nature's most dedicated drummer. Every night, these stocky marsupials create an underground symphony that would make any musician jealous. Listen, I'll paw strike against the earth creates a distinct beat. The scraping of claws through soil adds texture. The rhythmic breathing between efforts provides the tempo. This isn't just digging, it's composition in real time. Wombats can move up to 3 tons of earth in a single night, and every shovelful contributes to their masterpiece. The deeper they go, the more resonant the sounds become. Their burrows act like natural amplifiers, turning simple excavation into acoustic artistry. These underground architects don't just build homes, they craft concert halls.